So can you really make $1 million per year on Fiverr? Is that really possible? Now, the short answer is yes, you can. You can make $1 million on Fiverr very easily, but the long answer is it depends on three golden rules, okay, that you have to follow. Three golden rules, okay? And then 5 things that you need to sell on Fiverr if you will really want to make $1 million per year. You can't be selling like, stupid things like, thumbnails or stupid small things. You're never gonna make that big bucks, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 golden rules that you have to follow no matter what if you really want to make that $1 million on Fiverr, okay? And then I'm gonna show you 5 unique things that you can sell on Fiverr that's actually going to make your time worthwhile. Because like I said, if you're just doing nonsense things like, making thumbnails, making a resume, that's never gonna make you that $1 million because you'll be spending time actually doing so much work. It's just gonna be mentally frustrating, okay? So what you have to do is you have to follow 3 golden rules. Okay, so 3 golden rules are, number 1, okay, is you have to sell high-end products or services. So in the video later down the road, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you can sell. Okay, so number 1 is sell high-end products. Okay, that's golden rule number 1. Golden rule number 2 is it has to be scalable, meaning let's say you stop working, okay? The business must go on. You should be able to go on a vacation, you should be able to sleep, and you should still be able to make that $1 million without even lifting your finger. That's why I call it scalable, okay? And golden rule number 3, okay? Fiverr is gonna be very mad at me for this, but golden rule number 3 is you have to be able to take people that you get on Fiverr, take them off Fiverr and charge them separately on your own, okay? Use Fiverr as a lead generation machine, not the actual place to make that $1 million. Now, so 3 golden rules, okay? You got that. Now, what are 5 things that you can actually sell that's gonna make you loads of money? So number 1 is, I think it's the obvious one, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to you one more time. Number 1 is copywriting. So what is copywriting? So a copywriting is pretty much whenever you use words to convey people to do something. So pretty much, let's say you're driving down the road, you see a billboard, that's a copywriting, okay? This is a copywriting. This is on the showcase, right? It got me to pick it up because of price, because of the look, it just depends. So like sales letter, funnels, email marketing, all of those things have to do with copywriting. So where can you learn copywriting? So you can learn it in a couple of places. So number 1 is swipefolder.com. Okay, you can take a look at all the examples. It has really good examples, so take a look at that. Okay, number 2 is copywriter.net. Okay, and number 3, the only book that I'll recommend for now is the Adweek Copywriting Guide Handbook. So get that book, read it. Okay, that's those 3 things that you need. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is PPC ad. So what is a PPC ad? PPC ad is pay-per-click ads. This is when you run ads on Facebook, Google, Instagram, Snapchat, Reddit, Twitter, and so on and so on. Now, it does not mean clicking a boost button or promote button on YouTube or like boost button on Facebook. That's not called running ads, okay? You have to be able to run ads by, choosing the demographics, choosing the goal, in being able to optimize all the, ratios, click-through rates, all those things, okay? So where can you learn those things? Actually, Facebook has it for free, Google has it for free. Here's why they have it for free, okay? You don't have to buy an expensive course. So all you have to do is, I think it's called Google Garage for Google, and for Facebook, it's called Facebook Blueprint, okay? You can go there and learn everything that you need to know in order to run ads. Now, why are these companies giving it out for free? Because it makes sense, okay? They want you to know how to run ads so that you can sell it to other people. They're gonna make the money, you're gonna make the money. It's good for the economy, okay? It's especially good for them because that's where you'll spend the money as well. So That was number 2. Number 3 is building funnels. So what is a funnel? So a funnel, it's not the funnel that you're thinking about. The funnel is, let's say you see an ad on, let's say, Instagram, or like you see an ad on Facebook. You click on it, okay? You buy something, or you opt in with your email or your phone number, right? Right after you opt in, it's gonna have another upsell, or it's called one-time offers, okay? Another sales page, okay? It's a funnel to get you to buy something, book an appointment, and things like that. You might have heard of ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, Instapage. All those products help you build funnels. So you need to learn how to use ClickFunnels, Instapage, ConvertKit, okay? Those products are like, top product. There's a bunch of others too as well that help you create funnels. And these big companies are using these products to create these funnels. So you have to know how to use them. You have to know how to optimize them as well. So a book I recommend for that one is How to Make Websites Win. It's a CRO, conversion rate optimization book, but you learn a lot from it. Okay, so that was number 3. Number 4 is ghostwriting. So if you're a really good writer, don't waste your time, writing articles for blogs for people for like $20, $30. Okay, actually become a ghostwriter to write novels and books. Because here's the thing, okay, people who want their books written, they got the money. Because remember, writing a book it's a luxury, right? So whenever somebody wants to write a book, they know that they're gonna have to spend lots of money. But here's the thing, okay, they have to spend hundreds, if not thousands of hours writing, tweaking, okay? If you're a good writer, what you can do is you can actually become a ghostwriter to write novels, okay? These amazing books, okay? And you can charge people up towards like $30,000, $40,000 for like quick work. Now, of course, it's gonna take some time, but there's big money in it, okay? Now, last but not least is number 5 is SEO Optimizer. Now, I didn't say SEO consultants. I said SEO Optimizer. Now, here's what you need to know, okay? Of course, search engine optimization is whenever you help people rank their websites, okay? Now, you can, most people think, backlink, all those things, that's common, right? What else you need to learn about is something called schema. It's called schematic SEO and topical SEO. Google about it, search about it. You'll find that. I'll put the links on my description as well. So learn how to use those, because those don't require work. You just have to make some tweaks, okay, on people's sites, and they can rank, okay? They don't need backlink. That's how easy it is. But nobody knows how to do it, because people are thinking, hey, they have to, build links and things like that. No, you don't. So you can do those 5 things, okay? Copywriting, PPC ads, funnel builder, ghostwriting, and SEO Optimize. Those are those good, amazing things. Now, so once you have those things, you're gonna post an offer on Fiverr saying, I will do your SEO, blah, blah, blah. I'll do your SEO audit, okay? You're not gonna do your SEO, you're not gonna be able to make $1 million straight up on Fiverr. You're gonna post saying, I'll do your SEO audit for this much dollars, right? Don't make it cheap, make it expensive, so people know that you are not cheap, okay? Do that. Once you have an audit, which you can run through like SEMrush or like, Ahrefs, okay? Once you have that audit, what you can do is you can say, hey, I'll fix it up for you, I'll help you rank. That's how you take that's how you take the client off Fiverr and bring it to your own. That's why I said, don't use Fiverr as your income generating place. Use it as a lead generation place. Does that make sense? So if you do these things, you're gonna be able to make $1 million a year very, very easily on Fiverr. But like I said, you have to sell these good high-end products and services, okay? You can't be doing those silly things, removing backgrounds or doing Photoshop. That's not gonna make you much money. Trust me on that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you go to my channel, there's more videos just like this where I teach you guys how to make money left and right. That's my goal. My goal is to teach you guys sales, marketing, and making money, and some business hacks as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe, when I wake up in the morning, when I'm looking at my phone, when I see my subscribers count go up, it makes me very, very happy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.